Hello and welcome to my QA channel. This channel will be focusing on quantity surveyor. In this first video, I will show you the basic knowledge on quantity surveyor. What is quantity surveyor? Quantity surveyor is a professional engineer which is in a wide variety of construction industry play the most important role in estimating quantity of material required for the construction, cost control of the project, and contract management from starting to the end of the project. What does QS do? The role of QS is also different from the different type of company. Here are 5 types of the company: subcontractor, main contractor, consultancy and project management, real estate developer, and design and build. What is QS in sub or main contractor? I divided the role of QS in this company into 2 positions or 2 levels, junior level and senior level. Junior QS is preferably be full-time on site to control check actual quantity on site or quantity from subcontractor, to check any design change between tender BOQ and actual on site in order to request for additional payment claim from consultant or client. We also need junior QS to double-check quantity in the tender BOQ when preparing for competitive tendering. In addition, junior QS can learn how to prepare monthly progress claim, prepare construction progress report, and assist senior QS on other tasks. Senior QS, on the other hand, has so many duties such as preparing monthly progress report, monthly progress claim, cost control of the project such as controlling quantity of construction material, risk management, controlling variation order due to any design change or any wrong calculation on the quantity, and manage and monitoring the construction progress and cash flow. Moreover, senior QS need to sourcing and selecting subcontractor or supplier for the project and work closely with procurement team by advising on material procurement plan, strategy, and quantity. Most importantly, senior QS must be able to estimate cost of the construction project and prepare complete tender BOQ with complete unit price for submission for a competitive tendering. Last but not least, senior QS must study the contract and study them well to solve any dispute arriving during the construction. Up next, I will talk about what is QS in consultancy and project management and real estate developer. QS in this company is more senior than the previous one. Anyway, I divide it into 2 stages, pre-tender and post-tender. Pre-tender is a stage of developing bill of quantity, preparing tender documents, specification, general condition, and other parts and form of contract, estimating budget of the project. During this stage, we need to sourcing and selecting main or subcontractor to participate in our competitive tendering. And we will do the assessment step by step from pre-tender qualification, cost assessment, evaluation, and report, prepare tender questionnaire and interview with the contractor, and to the final negotiation. Then after both party, contractor and the client agreed on cost and everything, we will prepare letter of acceptance and contract document for them to sign to start mobilize equipment and staff and to start the construction. Now it's time come to the construction stage. The involvement of QS in this stage is to evaluate and certify payment claim from main or subcontractor, preparing agenda and arrange progress meeting with the contractor. Monitor cash flow and construction progress schedule, whether the construction is delayed or it is on time as per expected schedule. Moreover, QS will need to work closely with procurement team to advise on material procurement strategy, plan, and quantity. QS has to prepare monthly cost report for financial department, top management, or client. The most important part of QS is about cost saving and risk management for client and solve all kinds of contractual disputes. And lastly is to prepare final account to close the project. Now let me talk about QS in design and build company. It's quite similar to the previous 2 kinds of company I mentioned earlier, but I separate the process in this company into 2 stages, schematic and design development and construction stage. The progress in schematic and design development is quite the same as in the consultancy and real estate developer, but the difference is that we are the design contractor. The drawing and material are from our proposal, so QS has to come up with a full version of BOQ in order to estimate the cost with the proposed drawing and materials and submit to client. There will be some revision after meeting with the client until we negotiate and get agreement and sign contract with them. In the construction stage, it's quite similar as the sub or main contractor, such as follow up the actual quantity on site, monitor construction schedule and cash flow, evaluate and certify payment claim from subcontractor or supplier, preparing progress claim to client, advise on procurement strategy, follow up any design change, and solving any dispute. Finally, in general, QS must be able to develop a BOQ, know how to estimate the cost of the project, understand the process of tendering, develop tender document, LOA and contract document, evaluate and certify payment claim from subcontractor, sourcing and selecting subcontractor or supplier, advise on the procurement strategy, plan and quantity, and monitoring construction progress, schedule and cash flow, risk management, controlling variation order, cost saving of the project, making good reports such as monthly progress report and monthly cost report, negotiate with client, and contract management and solving contractual dispute. Alright, this is just an introduction. In the next video, I will show you how to create a BOQ template, how to measure simple quantity, how to measure complicated quantity, how to measure multiple quantity in one time, and finalize our BOQ. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share.